Well, that was a bit weird to see one of those two airlines flying together at the same time anyway. As you can see, I can still see it from there. As you can see, both of them are flying at the same time anyway. They're flying over the same direction anyway, as you can see. I think that one here is at Air France, and then the other one, I believe that one is I think this one's a DAL airline, and then the other one is Air France. Oh well. At least we managed to get to see those two airlines anyway. Obviously now, because of the clouds, I've just covered away now anyway. Apart from that, the clouds have just covered away anyway, especially they came with a smoke contrail. As you can see, that's the smoke contrail. That's where it comes to anyway, that's the smoke contrail there. So anyway, so that first one we just seen, that was a detail airline, that was, and that registration is N852NW, that is, and the call sign is DAL233, that is, and this one's an Air France, obviously. Yeah, that one's an Airbus A330, that one is, and that's a DAL2 airline, that is. As you can see, that's got the US registration anyway, that one's got the US registration, whereas that one, that's got the France US registration, that's got the France US registration anyway, and that one's an Airbus A350-900, that is. And that registration here is F-HTYQ, that is. And that one is AFR334, that is. As you can see, I think with that Air France one, that flew here about 38,800 feet, that did. Whereas the later one, that one flew in about 36,600 feet, that did. So yeah, and as you can see, if I go plane Friday, they should be on there. Hopefully they should be on there. There we go. And as you can see, they both came out from Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport. They both came out from anyway, and that one's came from Paris Airport, and the other one, the delator, so the Air France came from Paris, and the delator also came from Paris as well. That also came from Paris de Charles Airport as well. A bit weird though, because you know, normally we don't really see those two airlines flying together at the same time, but you know, first time I've ever seen it though. So yeah, as you can see, this one's going from Paris to can't think what that word says anyway. It's a bit weird. I think it's mine pullers, wherever it is, it's going to. And the Air France, that's going from Paris to Boston, that is anyway. That's where it's going from anyway, Paris to Boston, that is. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching, bye bye.